Have you ever opened a financial app, looked at the charts, and realized you have absolutely no idea what you're actually doing? I've been using Wealthsimple for years, and while the interface is famously clean, the actual learning part of the platform is tucked away in corners most people never click. If you're looking to move past just buying what's popular and actually understand the mechanics of wealth, you don't need to buy an expensive external course. Wealthsimple has built an entire ecosystem of free education that's surprisingly high quality. The absolute best starting point, and I wish I'd done this on day one, is the Wealthsimple Master Class. It's a jargon-free video series that takes about 45 minutes to get through. It covers the fundamentals, why the stock market moves, how diversification actually works, and the math behind why boring index investing usually wins. It's the perfect level 1 for anyone who feels overwhelmed by the terminology. Once you have the basics, you need to dive into the Wealthsimple magazine. This isn't just a corporate blog, it's actually well-written, long-form content. I personally look for their money diaries, first-person accounts of how people in different careers manage their cash. It's the most real-world education you can get because it shows you the trade-offs people make with their salaries, debt, and investments. If you're a more active trader, you should be using their technical analysis guides. Wealthsimple recently revamped these, and they are excellent for learning how to read candlestick charts, RSI, and moving averages directly within the app. Instead of watching a 20-minute YouTube video with someone trying to sell you a signal group, these guides show you exactly how to apply those tools using the Wealthsimple interface. For those of you into the more complex stuff, look for the For Nerds Only series under their Wealthsimple Presence tab. These sessions go deep into tax optimization, the end of banking trends, and the mechanics of their private credit and equity offerings. It's where they drop the simple branding and get into the weeds of high-level wealth management. Finally, don't sleep on their TLDR newsletter. It's a weekly breakdown of the markets that actually explains why a specific news event, like an interest rate hike, matters to your specific portfolio. It's the best way to stay market literate without having to watch financial news all day. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.